Hello, digital how-tos. Today I wanted to share with you guys something super awesome. It's a new form or a new way to make money with digital art. And currently I'm using Midjourney for my digital art. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you are going to try this because this is pretty awesome. So what we're going to do is, first of all, this is the news. Amplifying human creativity, Adobe Stock defines new guidelines for content made with Generative AI. So this just came out December 5th, and basically what Adobe is doing is it's letting creators like us upload our images to Adobe, and we get a royalty for it. And so right here, Generative AI art, basically you can upload your images and it has to get approved by Adobe. Once it's approved, it goes live. And then you can basically earn money. So it says that you can do everything as long as you created the AI art yourself. The only thing that you have to know is if you're doing an image of a person, and if it's not yourself, then you do need to submit work based on real people. So it says don't submit work based on real people unless you have a valid model release for that person. So they probably have to sign some type of agreement for you to use their picture. But if you submit yourself, like a photo of yourself, then that's completely fine. So first what we're going to do is we're going to go into the AI image enlarger. And this is called, the website's called bigjpg.com. So I will leave the link down below for that. You're going to select image. And you're going to scroll through your image and pick what you want to. So I'm going to do this one. And then click Start. And here, if you keep it at artwork, noise reduction is none. And you can upscale up to 2 times. If you upscale more than 2 times, the 4th, the 8th, the 16th, you have to upgrade. But let's try the 4th because it says the 8th to the 16th is an upgrade. So let's try that. And click Start. Okay, so the 4th times works. But if you want to do 8 or 16, then you have to pay for the upgraded version. So we're just using the free version. So we have to wait for that. It takes a little longer, but if you upgrade, it's a lot faster. And excuse my raspy voice. I do have a sore throat today. So let's just wait for this to get generated. And it's going to take a little bit. So let's just wait. So while we're waiting, this is the website that you would go to, Adobe Stock, and you would have to join it in order to start putting your stuff on there. So it's still going. It's almost there. It takes a little long. Okay, once it's done, you're going to click download, and it's going to download into your laptop. It's almost there. It's just a little bit more. And we're done. So now we're going to download it. There you go. It's downloaded. And it looks like that. Then what we're going to do is we have to convert this file. So we're going to go to online-convert.com. Whoops. And then we're going to, let me just click back. We're going to drag a photo or choose a photo. And I'm going to pick the new one that I just did right here. Upload it and click Start. And then it's going to convert this image into a JPEG because that's what Adobe wants. It wants it in a JPEG. So we're just going to wait for it to do its thing right here. And this website is also free, and I will link that down below for you too. So it's almost done. Once this is done, then we're going to go into our Adobe and we're going to set up an account with them and start uploading our images. So, okay, so I've saved the file and now I'm in the Adobe Stock. I've set up the account with them. So now all you have to do is upload my first asset. Click that. Then you're going to drag your photo over here. So we're going to find that photo that is JPEG right here and drag it over. And then the file's a photo, categories, lifestyle. Let's see what else they have here. Landscape, graphic resource, animal, building. Yeah, lifestyle seems about right. English, is this illustrated? Editorial content. Recognizable people or property, no. Love, so say the love, let's capitalize that. The love sign with floral on the letters. And then we can do decorations, frames, flower, gift, and let's put love. There you go. Oh, you can have a minimum, I have 44 words left. So let's add wedding, beauty, quote, floral, love flowers. I wonder if I can space this. Okay. Love flowers. What else can I put? Pink holiday, nature, close up, purple, white, and then we can add pink. So you want to use all the keywords, so then that way you can get as much as you can. Wooden, letters, wooden, letters, love, see, wooden, love, letters, floral, love, letters. Okay, and then you're all done, and all you have to do is submit the file here and click submit. And it says I have to fill out my tax form. You can avoid up to 30% withhold, blah, blah, blah. So I'll fill that out later. And then it's in review right now. When it gets approved, you'll see it right here, but this is the first thing that I did. And then you'll get a reminder of anything here, or if it's not accepted here, releases here. And it's pretty easy. You just keep uploading. Make sure it's JPEG. Make sure the quality is a lot higher than Midjourney when you pull it out. And I'll leave all the links down below for the website so you guys are able to do it. And you know, you might not make like a ton of money, but you know, let's look at how much commission that you will make. Okay, so just so you guys are aware, this is how much Adobe pays you for these stocks that you're going to put on there, the AI stocks, the stock photos, or you can do videos too. So it's 35% for videos, 33% commission for images. That equates to 33 cents to $26.40 per image downloaded, and $2.80 to $70 per video downloaded. The amount you earn per download depends on the plan and license the customer uses to download your image or video. So, it's not like a lot, but this is a breakdown for it. If the buyer's plan is 3 months, you get $3.33. Oh, sorry, $3.30. If they have 10 credits per month, this is how much you make. 25 credits per month, this is how much you make. And 40 credits per month, this is how much you make. The one that you make the most is the extended license, and it's on demand or subscription. You make $26.40 or $21.12. And your minimum royalty for $350 to $750 monthly download subscriptions improved. So that's here. Video earnings are here. If you want to create videos, you can just go to the beach and literally just record the waves or something and just upload it in good quality. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below. Let me know if you're going to try this, and I'll see you in my next digital how-to. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a good day. Bye, friends.